Software development models. Software development models are systematic approaches or methodologies used to structure, plan, and execute the software development process. Key points. Waterfall model. A sequential approach with distinct phases, requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance, where each phase depends on the completion of the previous one. Agile model. An iterative and incremental approach that emphasizes flexibility, adaptability, and customer collaboration. Development occurs in short cycles, iterations, with continuous feedback and adjustments throughout the process. Comparison. Waterfall follows a rigid, linear progression from one phase to another. Changes are challenging to incorporate once a phase is completed. Agile allows for flexibility and responsiveness to changing requirements. Iterative development allows for early delivery of usable software and ongoing refinement based on feedback. Example: in a waterfall model, software requirements are gathered up front, followed by sequential design, development, and testing phases. Conversely, in Agile, development occurs in short iterations, with frequent demonstrations and feedback sessions to ensure alignment with user needs.